Our lesson today is on multiplying binomials. A binomial is a polynomial with two expressions, and this is a special case when we are multiplying two binomials. When we have two binomials and we're multiplying them, we use what's called the FOIL method, and this is just a way for you to remember how to distribute properly when you are multiplying two binomials. FOIL is an acronym for first, outer, inner, and last. So let's look at our first terms here. The F stands for the first terms, 2x and x. So we multiply 2x times x to get 2x squared. Okay, so that's our first term. O stands for our outer terms. And the outer terms are the two outer terms in each binomial themselves, the 2x and the negative 2. So O, standing for our outer terms, is 2x times negative 2. And don't forget that negative sign follows the negative 2. And that leaves us with 4x. Our I stands for the inner term. The inner terms are the two terms on the inner of this whole expression. Okay? The 5 and the x. So our inner term is 5 times x, or 5x. And our last letter, the L, stands for the last term. Last term in each parentheses, 5 and negative 2. Okay? So we have a 5 times a negative 2 to give us a negative 10. So notice this is where we get our FOIL from. F, O, I, and L. Okay? So now you're left with 4 terms, and combining those, we have 2x squared plus 4x plus 5x, and what did I do wrong here? I forgot to use that negative. Okay? So here we have a minus 4x, a plus 5x, and a minus 10 to give us a quadratic polynomial. Okay? We're not done yet though, because we have two like terms here that we can combine. So don't forget to combine those. 2x squared, a negative 4x, and a positive 5x gives us a positive x and minus 10. So that is how we multiply binomials, and we can use the FOIL method when we have two binomials. But I want you to take notice though that what we're doing here is just distributing. So let's start over here, and we'll do this another way. We're doing our same binomials. Okay? What we do though is we take the 2x, so we go back to our old distributive property, we take the 2x and we distribute that to the second term. And you come up with 2x squared minus 4x. Then we take the second term in this binomial, the 5, and we distribute that. Okay? To come up with the second term on that. So combining this, what do we end up with? 2x squared minus 4x plus 5x minus 10. Okay, same as you ended up here. Combining these, 2x squared plus x, minus 10. So just notice we are still distributing just as we had any kind of polynomial. If you want to multiply a monomial times a trinomial, it's always distribution. But when you have two binomials, an easy way to remember it is by using the FOIL method. Okay? Thank you.